vessels. Such type of circulation is called open circulation, that is found in arthropoda of invertebrates. And closed circulation, another one. Closed, the term itself indicates where the blood flows in a closed system, that is in the blood vessels. That is in the blood vessels like heart, aorta, arteries, arterioles, blood capillaries, venules, veins, superior and inferior vena cava, back to the heart. This closed system of flow of blood is called closed circulation. That is found in Annelida and in all vertebrates of chordates. That is closed circulation. So to know the comparative anatomy, or to get better idea of comparative anatomy, let us see the structure of human heart first. By taking it as a model, there are different types, different structure in the heart of all the vertebrates. Simply, we will tell in case of Pisces, 2-chambered heart. In case of amphibia, 3-chambered heart. In case of reptilia, 3 and 4-chambered heart. In case of aves, 4-chambered. In case of mammals, 4-chambered. Leave all those things. First, we're going to see the structure of mammalian heart, to compare that with the heart of other animals. Yes? Okay. To compare with the heart of other animals. Okay. So, as we know about our heart, a muscular cone-shaped organ located in the middle of the chest cavity. Located in the middle of the chest cavity, and its apex, the pointed portion, which is directed towards the left side, like this. A muscular cone-shaped organ located in the middle of the chest cavity, and its apex is directed towards the left side. The heart is protected or covered by means of a layer. That layer is called pericardium, and this pericardium is filled with pericardial fluid, which protects the heart from shocks and injuries. I think you will understand. This heart, I have not shown the outer structures of the heart. Directly we have drawn the vertical section of the heart here. Externally, the heart is covered by means of a membrane. That membrane is called pericardium. In between the wall and the membrane, there is the presence of pericardial fluid, which protects the heart from shocks and little injuries. So heart wall, this one, is with 3 layers. Heart wall is with 3 layers. Those 3 layers are inner endocardium, middle myocardium, and outer pericardium. Inner endocardium, middle myocardium, and outer pericardium. This pericardium at the base here, it reflects to form, epicardium, it reflects to form pericardium. Outer layer is epicardium. It reflects to form pericardium. And in between epicardium and pericardium is a cavity, pericardial cavity. and that cavity is filled with pericardial fluid. That cavity is filled with pericardial fluid. So I told you it is protective in function. And about the structure of the heart, before that, see the size of the human heart. Length is about 12 centimeters. Length is about 12 centimeters. Width is about 8 to 9 centimeters. Width is about 8 to 9 centimeters and thickness is about 6 centimeters. In all mammals, means in all human beings. And its weight in male, it is about 280 to 340 grams. 280 grams to 340 grams in males. In females, 230 to 280 grams. 230 to 280 grams. Come to the structure of the heart, that is understood by its vertical section. Structure of the heart. So, heart is with 4 chambers, in which 2 are auricles and 2 are ventricles. Upper ones are auricles, lower ones are ventricles. Auricles are thin-walled chambers. Ventricles are thick-walled chambers. The auricles and ventricles are separated by means of a muscular partition or the wall or the septum. That is, in between 2 auricles, it is interauricular septum. In between 2 ventricles, it is interventricular septum. So that this becomes the left part of the heart and this becomes the right part of the heart. So 2 auricles in which it is, this chamber is left auricle, this chamber is right auricle. This chamber is left ventricle and this chamber is right ventricle. So the left part of the heart is filled with oxygenated blood, means pure blood. Right part of the heart is filled with deoxygenated blood or impure blood. Left part of the heart is with pure blood or oxygenated blood. Right part of the heart is with impure blood or deoxygenated blood. So let us see the blood circulation in the body. It is by means of 2 pumps, that is left side and right side of the heart. So the impure blood or deoxygenated blood from lower part of the body and from upper part of the body, that is from lower extremities and from upper extremities, carried through the venules, veins, and then the blood brings to superior vena cava and inferior vena cava, so that blood is